Hi everyone, I'm Sunny, Head of Product at Stacklet and Cloud Custodian Maintainer. Today I'll show you how, as a Cloud Custodian user, you can simplify and speed up your policy deployments and roll out controls across all of your clouds, accounts, and regions. As a Cloud Custodian user, you're well aware of Custodian's powerful capabilities. However, operating, productionizing, and bringing controls to your cloud requires custom scripts and pipelines, monitoring and observability, and hundreds if not thousands of serverless functions. In addition, rolling out new policies requires additional infrastructure, deployments, and time, taking weeks if not months. Stacklet makes Cloud Custodian easy by centralizing all of your policies and results in a single place, allowing you to discover Stacklet's built-in policies or ones that you've authored yourself. Policy collections help you organize your policies while reducing duplicated work, and dynamic account groups ensure that your controls are always applied across your cloud automatically as new accounts are added. Now, let's get into Stacklet and see how you can roll out a policy to new accounts and regions. Stacklet Console is your home for all of your Cloud Custodian policies and executions. You can even take a look at the cost dashboard, which rounds up opportunities and suggestions, which helps you take action and save money faster. Dashboards let you drill all the way down to the resources themselves, and we give you resource details and history. Finally, answer the question of what happened to my resource. This is all powered by Stacklet's real-time asset inventory, which not only snapshots your environment, but also captures changes as they happen. Here, we can see when a developer or custodian took an action on a resource, and even see what exactly changed on the resource. Getting back to policy deployments here, we'll click into bindings, which is how we deploy policies against our account groups. Let's take a look at this one. EBS, prevent old GPT volumes. From here, we can see where the policy is active under accounts, as well as all the previous policy executions. We can also edit this binding to send notifications or change other settings like how often the policies run, enabling dry run mode, setting a blast radius, and even configuring variables. Here, we'll keep the settings the same and just add another account to this account group. Let's go to the accounts page. Here, we'll select an account, in this case Demo 11, and add it to our existing account group. Dev 3 tiers only. Since our binding is set to automatically update, once the account is added to the account group, our policies will start running instantly. Let's go back to the binding. In this case, we have two policies. One is an event modes policy, which will prevent new resources from launching as a GPT volume, and the other is a pull mode policy, which will run once an hour to remediate any existing GPT volumes and convert them to GP3. We can also manually deploy this binding by clicking deploy, or even run the policies by clicking run now. Policy and execution results are centralized, which lets you view policy results without logging to each account or region. Here we can click into the binding runs to see all of the policy executions that we have for this binding, as well as see any errors that come up. In this case, we see that we have an unauthorized operation when calling modify volume. Centralized logging allows you to quickly address errors and IAM permissions without having to hunt through thousands and thousands of log groups across multiple accounts and regions. Stacklet's full set of capabilities also includes our powerful and real-time asset inventory, advanced FinOps and ISC governance, and Juno, our advanced cloud governance LLM. Thanks for watching. You can learn more by visiting Stacklet.io and clicking Get a Demo.